Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be tackling and talking about why is the stock market down? Why are we in the red today? But most importantly, what is going on with Lucid Motors? What to expect later this week. I think you're going to get a huge amount of information out of this video. But before we get down into it, get started, give me that big thumbs up. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, I can get you right now a free Lucid stock using my link down below to Moomoo. Put in $100 into a new account. That will guarantee you a free Lucid share stock. In addition to this, Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Now, without further ado, let's talk about what is going on in the stock market. We are seeing a lot of red. Let me just transition and show you that everything is red. The S&P 500 is down 1.84%. The Dow's down 1.5%, NASDAQ down 2.6%, huge amount. Russell 2000 down over 3%. There is a lot of red in the stock market. The reason why is that we are now having raising bond yields. Raising bond yields has happened for the very first time since the COVID era. So we are now starting to get again, downward pressure. The government, the Fed, is trying to fight that inflation, which is bringing a lot of downward pressure. They are trying to make it harder for companies to borrow money. And this is putting a lot of huge downward pressure on the stock market as a whole, but most importantly, technology stocks, any new business stocks. But big also downward pressure is that Goldman Sachs actually missed its earnings report. So that is putting a lot of downward pressure on this stocks, all the stocks as well. So as you can see, CNBC did give a breaking news that the Dow drops 540 points, NASDAQ down 2.6%. as the 10-year yield raises to 2 years highs. So again, we are back in that COVID era with the bond yields. What does this mean? This means that any new company or any company that needs to raise a lot of money needs to borrow money to keep thriving and to keep going. It's going to be a lot harder for those companies to raise and earn money, to get money. So this is going to be putting a lot of downward pressure on this. Now, the government is actually stuck between a rock and a hard place because they do need to fight inflation. We do know that this year they will be tackling inflation by raising interest rates. Now we do see that the bond yields are starting to go up. Soon we could start seeing the interest rates going up as well. This is putting huge downward pressure on these stocks. Now, looking at Lucid, Lucid also did have a stock alert warning. Let me just show you this. There is a LCID stock alert. Why is Lucid Motors stumbling today? Well, this article was actually written 7 hours ago, right around the time that the stock market started. But it does mention that investors are anticipating a volatile day tomorrow for Lucid. So Lucid stock is down. I think this is even a combined and kind of added pressure to this stock that is already facing a downward pressure because the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund will be expiring. The lockup will be expiring tomorrow, which is January 19th. This will give the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund an opportunity or a chance to take profits if they choose to do so. That means that they can sell some of their stocks and shares of Lucid Motors. Now, as you know, Lucid is owned primarily by Saudi Arabian just because they have 60% part of the market cap. They own 63% of Lucid Motors. So in my opinion, I do definitely think that they will not sell. I do think that they are going to be holding the stock long term. Now, provided some of these downward pressures that we're already seeing, this gives me even more belief that they will not be selling because they're not going to be selling into a red or into a bear market. That being said, we are starting to see a lot of fear. A lot of people are starting to be fearful about Lucid Motors stock because of that PIF investment lockup that we had back in September 1st, 2021, when this did expire. We had a huge sell-off in Lucid stock. The stock went from about $21 all the way down to about $15 in just a matter of 3 hours in a pre-trading hours. So People are, in my opinion, fearing this, but also this has that compounded effect, what we have just seen in the market. So let's just examine and see how the Lucid stock is doing right now. It did drop quite a bit, 7.13% today. We actually went down below $39.21. We started the stock today at $40.55. We actually went up all the way up to $41, but since then, we had a sell-off in this stock. But right now, tomorrow is going to be a very big day. As I mentioned, that public investment fund does expire, the expiration date, meaning that the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund can sell some shares if they choose to do so. But right now, in the past week, we are down about 6.3%. We have tested a high of $47 just on January 12th, but mostly we were trading around $44, $45, except that now we are starting to have that sell-off. So just in a matter of a few days, and just since, since Friday, we have had a sell-off in this stock of more than 8.8%. So definitely downward pressure could be coming. This could provide some buying opportunities. I'm not being fearful. I am not selling. Anytime there is red, that is great buying opportunities. I have in the past told you in my videos what are good buying points. Anything under $40, if you hold it long term, more than 12 months, is a very good deal in Lucid LCID stock. But if you can get this stock under $38, you are getting a steal of a deal. But I do see that we will have some pressures coming tomorrow. We could definitely even test $36. If you can get this at $36, I mean, that is a steal of a deal. Again, these are my opinions only, but that is only if you hold this long term. Now, just to give you a price forecast of what this stock is going to be doing, according to the analyst, this is according to Tip Ranks. Now, next, I did want to just show you what the analysts on Wall Street are talking about and saying about Lucid Motor Group and its price predictions. There are a total of 6 analysts that have reviewed this stock. 2 are giving it a strong buy, 3 a hold, 1 a sell. This does give it an average of a hold price. In the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, they are giving it a $60 price target with the highest price target. The lowest price target is at $16. If we do average all these analysts together, that does give it an average of $41.20. This is a 5% upside from right now. But again, if you can get this stock under that $38, that is a steal of a deal. I definitely think that we will and can test that tomorrow. But this is going to be very interesting and very big pressures downward tomorrow, especially since we are seeing a lot of negative downward pressure today. Now, another thing that could happen is, since we are still having a big sell-off in the market as a whole, we could have some shoppers that are buying the dips, but we'll definitely have to see, as the market is quite volatile right now. And I did just want to transition and show you what Wallet Investor is now predicting for LCID Lucid stock. Right now, as I mentioned, the stock is trading at $39.20. Look at its 12-month, 1-year forecast. According to Wallet Investor, they have now increased this 12-month, 1-year forecast to $68.75. The potential in the next 5 years, $160.55. If you have been following my channel, this does move quite a bit. This does use technical analysis and past trading history, but we are starting to see that there are starting to be a lot more analysts, a lot more interest in Lucid Group. Again, this year is going to be quite critical. Very important that they mass produce their Lucid Air vehicle. They are also going to be expanding into other countries such as Europe, which is going to be a nice positive catalyst for this stock. But very big things to look forward to for Lucid, but we'll have to see. Tomorrow could be definitely a big volatile day. We'll definitely have to monitor that. But again, do not sell, in my opinion, do not sell if it's in the red. Only buy if it's in the red. So we have to get that mindset, buy low and then you sell when it's green, when it's high. So I definitely think that tomorrow could be some nice buying opportunities for this stock. But I hope that you liked this video, and I hope you did learn something new. But please, if you can, give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to get that free Lucid stock on Moomoo using my link down below. You can get also up to 5 free stocks. So far, my viewers have wrote me that they received now Netflix, they received Lucid, Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. So the list is growing. So Moomoo, thank you for helping my viewers to get free stocks. I greatly appreciate that. In addition to that, I do have links down below for crypto. Crypto.com will give you $25 just for opening an account. In addition to this, Coinbase has a great promotion. If you put in $100 into that Coinbase wallet, they will give you $10 of Bitcoin for trading. So definitely take advantage of these huge opportunities. But thank you so much again for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day. Thank you.